And we get some ice. Do I have some ice at home? Water bath is very simple. Just put water in, ice in. Move the oil so I can see you guys see this is what's happening here. So this is our lye solution. Okay, right now temperature 56. Okay, do an ice bath. It will cool down straight away. Okay, that's how you do it. Easy, water bath. All the lye has been dissolved. 51 degrees. Okay, let's check the oil. 37. The oil is perfect temperature now. So we wait for the lye. So we mix it in. So when I want to do my my recipe, I try to work around like 37 degrees Celsius when I mix the lye. Okay, but there's a window, okay, of 5 each way of both sides of 37 degrees Celsius. So 100 Fahrenheit. So it's not hasn't cooled down yet. $43, $41, $42. Okay, so it's getting there. Gotta wait a little bit. There's no rush. 36, perfect. Take off the heat. Okay, let's check the temperature of both. Lye, 35, 36. Not too bad, so we can mix in now, okay? Mix in. Yeah, what I just did there, I just rinse the bucket straight away. So right now, let's check the temperature. 35 degrees. Okay, 35 degrees. Now I'm going to use a stick blender from now on. Okay, so I'll use that when I get to trace, and I'll come back here and do a pouring for you guys. Okay.